What's going on, friends? So you are currently looking at our house. We kind of had a little flood in our upstairs bathroom. Walls had to be removed, toilets had to be removed, vanities had to be removed, carpet had to be removed. It was a big loud mess. So what do you do when your house is a big loud mess? You leave. So we decided to head to Charleston, South Carolina. We've got no plans, no agenda, no reservations. Got in the truck and left. Kids are at grandma's, which they love, and the only thing that we want to do is thrift and eat good food, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, so what'd you get?
So I got a bag of Barbies. Most of them are for our 7-year-old, but I did get this 1958. We think it's Midge. I'm gonna check it when we get in the car to see. Cool.
So we did some investigation on the Barbie, and we thought we had a 1958 Barbie that was worth, I don't know, $80 to $100. But what did we find out?
We found out that it's actually a reproduction Barbie 1958, 2004. It's right there.
So she's worth how much now?
Well, looking at eBay, there is a My Favorite Barbie 1958 blonde ponytail 2004 reproduction that sold for $55 free shipping. So we're thinking maybe $20 or $30.
Yeah.
We'll do more research.
Only paid $1, so still not bad. Not as good as we thought, but not bad. Grabbed this pair of CD bicycling shoes. Paid $5.99 for them, and looks like I should get around $35 plus shipping. Pretty good brand to be on the lookout for. At this same store, I grabbed this pair of old Gringo women's cowboy boots. Paid $6.99, and comps look like they're maybe 80 to 100 bucks. If you see this unique plaid pattern, take a look. It may just be Burberry. Picked up this Burberry lamb's wool scarf for $2.99, and you can see the comps. So on our trip, we literally went to 16 different thrift stores, and some of those twice. So if I was to show you every one, you'd probably be a little bored. So from here on out, I'm going to show you the highlights. I'm going to show you some of the cooler stuff that I found and some of the higher value items that I found, stuff that you can be on the lookout for in your area. Grab this wool jacket. It's made by Pendleton, but it's their Lobo line, which I've never heard of. Got it at the Goodwill bin, so I don't have much in it. Looks like it'll go for between $40 and $60. Grab this bear right next door. This is Queen Eleanor from Disney's movie Brave. Yeah, I really don't know. But paid $1.99 for it, and comps look pretty good. I love selling hats. I've got over 500 listed, and I picked these up for $1 a piece at the Salvation Army. Check these out. Grab these LL Bean Maine hunting shoe duck boots. They're women's. Paid $5.99 for them and should get around $30 or $40. No, this didn't turn into a horror movie. This long, windy dirt road leads to one of our favorite seafood restaurants in the area, Bowen's Island. If you're ever in the Charleston area, I highly recommend it. The seafood is always fresh and the oysters are delicious. So it's Sunday, and what day is it?
It's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. So we were going to go downtown historic Charleston, walk around, be romantic, all that good stuff. But as you can probably tell, it's raining and it's cold. So where are we going instead?
We're going to a brewing company.
We're going to a brewery. And I reached out to one of my buddies on Instagram/YouTube, and he's going to meet us there, and we're going to talk reselling. So basically for Valentine's Day, we're going to meet some random dude on the internet at a brewery. So it should be a good time. So we met up with Casey, Carolina Thrifter, on YouTube and picked his brain and had a pizza. And I learned a lot, and you will too if you go follow him on YouTube. Now back to the thrifting. Grabbed some more hats. Most of them are just bread and butter stuff, but check out this gem. Paid $1.99. Picked up this Olympia Info Globe digital caller ID. Never seen one before, so I looked it up, and it was half price at $10. Ended up being brand new in the box, so I've currently got it listed for $142 or best offer. My awesome wife found this sealed board game that I'd never heard of. Paid $5 for it, and it looks like it goes for $35 or $40 plus shipping. So here's a brand to be on the lookout for, Timbuk2. They make messenger bags and backpacks. This one's not incredibly valuable, but some of their stuff is, so always look it up. Grab this pack of Taboo refill cards for $1.99. They were still sealed, and comps look really good. This next item I just picked up because I thought it was cool. I'd never seen one at a thrift store. Couldn't find any comps on this fencing mask, but I only paid $5.99, and it's cool to have either way. So here's the last item, and a pretty big bolo. This is a Smathers & Branson needlepoint belt. I've been looking for one of these ever since the college picker shared it a while back. And this is the Charleston version. Check out what it goes for new. But also look at other versions, and if you ever see one of these, you might want to check it out. So Kayla picked this place, and it looks like a hole in the wall. So it's either going to be really good or really bad.
Good for you.